Namaste. Welcome to Yoga by Tasha from the Heavenly Manasit Foundation. Now, I have a few tips for having really healthy eyesight. And I think in today's world, having a good eyesight is the most important because we are bombarded with so much information every day, and our senses need to be in our control, and our mind needs to be at peace. It sounds that simple, but here are a few eye exercises that I have that will make your eyes balanced, focused, and very relaxed. So, sit in a comfortable position and move your eyeballs to the left and to the right. Do this 10 times. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Don't move your head, just move your eyeballs. Become aware of your breath while you're doing this and your eyes and your eyelashes. Just breathe into this whole moment. So take your eyeballs to the left and to the right, to the left and to the right. During this meditation or during this exercise, it's wise to not to be very comfortable with the shape of your eyes. If you have big eyes, small eyes, um, wide almond shaped eyes, be comfortable with whatever shape your eyes is. Now close your eyes, breathe from your mouth, and now send a lot of love and white light to your eyes. And thank your eyes for being so good to you and for being so nice to you. Our eyes deserve our most important attention. There was a time when I had specs and I had very weak eyes, and my mother suggested me to try on the healing methods. So, she said eat spinach and eat green stuff, and after you eat the green vegetables and the green veggies, your eyes automatically start becoming better and better. And that worked for me. My eyes started becoming better, my vision started becoming amazing, and slowly now I have perfect vision. And since I use a lot of computer and I used to do a lot of book reading, so for me, my eyes were like, ugh, looked so tired in spite of being my age. So now, if you can see my eyes, they look absolutely youthful, shining, and bright. And the reason for this is because of the eye exercises. So do that left, right, and then do another eye exercise, which is up and down. Take your eyeballs and put them up and then down, up, down. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 up, down. Now, another exercise. Right, left, down, up. 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 Perfect. Now you can try this thumb exercise. It's for making your concentration and focus better. So here it goes. You take your thumb, keep it in front of you, and stare at it. Then stare at the tip of your nose. Stare at it. Then the tip of your nose. Stare at it. The tip of your nose. Stare at it. Then the tip of your nose. Stare at it. Then the tip of your nose. Stare at it. Then at the tip of your nose. Stare at it, then at the tip of your nose. Stare at it, then at the tip of your nose. Do this at least 10 times. Tip of your nose. Stare at it, tip of your nose. Tip of your nose. Stare at it, 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 tip of your nose. Now I have now as your eyes start relaxing and you start feeling gentle with your shape and with your vision and things start improving, blink it. If you do this exercise every day, I I cannot promise, but I am 100% sure that your vision is going to improve. No matter how much you must have damaged your vision before, eating right, watching less television, taking care of your eyes automatically makes your eyes and your vision perfect. All the best and have a great life and a great vision. Now I have another exercise for the fingers. Usually we really work our fingers out. We type and we these days in technology world we are typing, we are multitasking. So we forget that our fingers need nourishment. Have you heard of Krishna, Brahma and Vishnu? They have chakras around their fingers, and it's to show the empowerment of our own fingertips. No fingertips, actually the design of each fingertip is unique for every individual, and that's a gift that we have in our fingers and in our body. So our fingers need to be taken care of the most. So here it is. You do these exercises when your fingers are too tired. Take your fingers forward, take them out, press them back. Take them out, press them back. Take them out, press them back. Now take one each finger at a time and roam it around like you're roaming like a Vishnu's chakra. Roam it around. Become aware of your finger. The shape, the size, the thickness, the hair, everything on it. Just become aware and become aware of how much you tense your finger. Then your second finger. Do it the same way. Roam it around. Tense it up, then release. Tense it up, then release. Tense it up, then release. Stay straight, even similar with the third finger. Tense it up, release. Tense it up, release. Tense it up, release. Tense it up, release. Similar with the tiniest finger. Tense it up, release. Tense it up, release. And then move it around like you're moving Vishnu's chakra. And while you're doing this, feel the space that you have to relax your fingers. Feel your touch, feel the space. Similarly with this hand. 2. And this exercise is best done if you will have someone else next to you. So you can see how we tire our fingers collectively as a humanity. Roam it around, bring it back. Roam it around, bring it back. Roam it around, bring it back. Namaste. I hope you have great fingers and great eyes. You deserve it. This is from the Heavenly Manna Foundation. A tiny short video on yoga for eyes and yoga for fingers. Namaste. Keep breathing, keep laughing, keep being healthy. Patasha.